if you're experiencing controller drift in Rocket League, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to unlock and fix the issue effectively. Step 1. Identify the drift. Start by testing your controller in the game. Move your car in different directions and observe if it continues to move without input. This will confirm if you have controller drift. Step 2. Check controller settings. Access the controller settings in Rocket League. Ensure that the dead zone settings are appropriately adjusted. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate minor drift issues. Step 3. Clean the controller. Physically clean your controller, especially around the analog sticks. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use compressed air or a soft cloth to gently clean around the sticks. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Connect it to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update the firmware, which can resolve drift issues. Step 5. Test with another controller. If the drift persists, try using a different controller. This will help determine if the issue is with your original controller or the game itself. If the new controller works fine, consider replacing the original. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift in Rocket League effectively. Enjoy your improved gameplay.